Celebrating a momentous occasion. Four pillars. One torch. One Bicol University, Pulangi. Recognizing the excellence of every BUNO. Life champions and future-ready professionals of the 21st century. This marks a meritorious achievement exemplifying scholarship, leadership, service, and character. We honor the outstanding achievements of our exceptional students. Their dedication and hard work have brought and inspired to our university. Welcome to BU Pulangi Recognition 2025. Celebrating a momentous occasion. Four pillars. One torch. One Bicol University, Pulangi. Recognizing the excellence of every BUNO. Life champions and future-ready professionals of the 21st century. This marks a meritorious achievement exemplifying scholarship, leadership, service, and character. We honor the outstanding achievements of our exceptional students. Their dedication and hard work have brought and inspired to our university. Welcome to BU Pulangi Recognition 2025. Celebrating a momentous occasion. Four pillars. One torch. One Bicol University, Pulangi. Recognizing the excellence of every BUNO. Life champions and future-ready professionals of the 21st century. This marks a meritorious achievement exemplifying scholarship, leadership, service, and character. We honor the outstanding achievements of our exceptional students. Their dedication and hard work have brought and inspired to our university. Welcome to BU Pulangi Recognition 2025. celebrating a momentous occasion. Four pillars. One torch. One Bicol University Pulangi. Recognizing the excellence of every BUNyo. Life champions and future-ready professionals of the 21st century. This marks a meritorious achievement exemplifying scholarship, leadership, service, and character. We honor the outstanding achievements of our exceptional students. Their dedication and hard work have brought immense pride to our university. Welcome to BU Pulangi Recognition 2025.
Tatak BUNyo, oh 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 mga pangarap kayang abutin, pag-asa ng ambisyon natin, hindi kukuha tulog-tulog. Saan man magpuntay, isa ang ulong. Ako, ikaw, tayo, kahit sino pa, pantay-pantay ang tingin sa isa't isa. Isang pangarap, isang hangarin, tayo ay tatak BUNyo. Tumayo, umilag, sumayaw tayo, BUNyo. Sama-sama tayo, tunay nga na ganda ang taglay ng ating mga puso. Walang susuko, kahit anong problema, wala nang yan basta didaan sa ngiti lang. Pasok na yan at laging isipin na tayo'y tatak BUNyo. Wow, oh, wow, 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 oh. Wow, oh, wow, 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 oh. Wow, oh, wow, wow, wow. Puso't isipan, nariyan ang taglay, handang matuto, marunong maghintay. Sa pagsubok, di matitinag.
Our College Dean, Dr. Mary Joy B. Katangi, together with our Associate Dean, Dr. Floradel S. Relucio, together with one of our teaching personnel, Ma'am Joverine Tangin.
Ako, ikaw, tayo, kahit sino pa, pantay-pantay ang tingin sa isa't isa. Isang pangarap, isang hangarin, tayo ay tatak BUNyo. Tumayo, umilag, sumayaw tayo,
hindi malagpasan. Tumingala sa bituin ng karunungan. Pag sinabing biyuan nyo, hindi yan uurungan. Dugo kasun at hindi tinataglay, ilabas mo sa baon. Talent kong ibinigay sa tinadya sa mga. Kumbaga, iba ka sa kanila kundi kanila patuloy niyan kanta.
Mga talento natin na iba-iba. Sa pamumuno tayo'y nagiging isa. Sa serbisyo, hindi nagsusukuan. Kahit di na kaya, ay kakayanin pa. Tumayo, umitak, sumayaw tayo. Biyuhan nyo, sama-sama tayo. Tunay na naganda ang taglay ng ating mga puso. Walang susuko, kahit anong problema. Wala lang yan, basta tidaan sa ngiti lang. Pasok na yan at laging isipin na tayo'y tatak. Tumayo, umitak, sumayaw tayo. Biyuhan nyo, sama-sama tayo. Tunay na naganda ang taglay ng ating mga puso. Walang susuko, kahit anong problema. Wala lang yan, basta tidaan sa ngiti lang. Pasok na yan at laging isipin na tayo'y tatak. Biyuhan nyo, tatak. Biyuhan nyo, laging isipin na tayo'y tatak. Biyuhan nyo. Mga pangarap kayang abutin.
Pag-asang ambisyon natin, hindi guguho at tulong-tulong.
Saan man magpuntay, isa ang pulong.
Ako, ikaw, tayo, kay
future belongs to those who are brave enough to shape it. These words speak so much of what today stands for. Here at Bicol University Pulangi, we do not just nurture achievers. We empower brave minds, minds that question, create, and commit to making a difference. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, BU Pulangi's teaching and non-teaching personnel, parents, and our life champions and future-ready professionals poised to inspire through productive scholarship, lead with transformative vision, serve collaboratively, and thrive with humanity. Welcome to Bicol University Pulangi Recognition 2025 with the theme Life Champions and Future-Ready Professionals of the 21st Century. Today, we recognize not just the medals and merits, but the quiet courage behind them. The choice to keep going despite pressure, to grow despite setbacks, and to rise not just for oneself, but for something bigger, family, dreams, and the future. Ladies and gentlemen, the processional. Let us warmly welcome the BU Pulangi teaching personnel. Our College Student Affairs Coordinator, Engineer Ben L. Saminiano. Our Administrative Officer, Mr. Maximo R. Razal Jr. BU Pulangi's Associate Dean, Dr. Floridel S. Relucio. Our College Dean, Dr. Mary Joy B. Katangi. And our guest speaker, Mr. Ryan O. Tolarde. And let us warmly welcome the Bicol University Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Bores. And our SUC President for Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III. Thank you for being here today as we celebrate the hard work, dedication, and academic achievements of our BU Pulangi students. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the entrance of colors. Please remain standing for our opening prayer to be followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem.
Let us pause for a moment of silence as we offer this day to the Lord. Heavenly Father, we gather today with hearts full of gratitude as we celebrate the achievements of our students in this college recognition program of Bicol University Pulangi. Thank you for the wisdom, strength, and perseverance you have bestowed upon our learners, mentors, and leaders. May this day be a testament of your goodness and a reminder of the purpose you have planted in each of us. As we honor the milestones reached, may we also remember the values of humility, service, and excellence. Guide our thoughts, words, and actions so that all we do may give glory to you. Bless every student recognized today, their families, and the entire academic community. Grant us a heart that seeks not only success, but also significance. All this we ask in your holy name. Amen.
Bayang magiliw, paras ng sinamanan, anak ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, gaya ka na magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisihin. Sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mababaw, may nilagang tulad, awit sa paglalang minamahal. Pag-isap ng matawat mo'y tagumpay na nanininig, ang bituin na tara niya, kailan pang mali magdidinig. Lupa ng araw naman, bakit pagsinta mo'y langit sa piling mo? Ang hiligaya na pamay mangapay, mamatay ng langit sa'yo.
You may now be seated. Today marks a meaningful celebration of hard work and academic excellence of our students. As we gather to honor these achievements, we also recognize the commitment each student has shown in becoming life champions and future-ready professionals. To officially commence this momentous occasion, let us welcome the Student Affairs Coordinator of Bicol University Pulangi for his welcoming remarks. Let us all welcome Engineer Ban Al Saminiano.
Good afternoon, BUeños. To our President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Dean Everest III, to our Dean, Dr. Mary Joy B. Katangi, to our Associate Dean, Dr. Floradel S. Relucio, to the 6 department chairs present today, coordinators, faculty members, students, parents, again, good afternoon. Today, we gather not just to celebrate medals, certificates, or applause, but to honor the dedication, grit, and brilliance of our students who dared to dream, work hard, and made it happen. To our awardees, this is your moment, but this is also a celebration of every sleepless night, every group work, and every challenge that brought out the best in you. To our faculty, parents, and mentors, thank you for being the guiding light behind every success story we recognize today. So let's keep the energy high and smiles wide and the spirit of excellence alive. Welcome to Bicol University Pulangi's recognition program where hard work meets celebration. Maraming salamat at mabuhay tayong lahat.
Thank you, sir. This afternoon, we are privileged to hear from someone who continues to champion academic growth and holistic development here at BU Pulangi. To deliver the message and challenge to our honorees, let us all welcome our very own Dean of Pulangi, BU Pulangi, Dr. Mary Joy B. Katangi.
Good afternoon, BU Pulangi. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, achievers. Let's do a quick check first. If you slept less than 4 hours to finish a requirement this semester, raise your hand. Ay, konti lang. If you survive a major project with only coffee and confidence, make some noise. Wow. And if you're here today being recognized, give yourself a round of applause. Okay, you deserve it all. But now, here's the real challenge. Are you ready for what's next? Oh, yes. You see, this recognition is not a finish line. It's starting point. The medals and certificates, they shine today. But what will shine tomorrow is what you do with what you've learned. Let me ask you this. Are you willing to fail forward? Achievers, are you willing to fail forward? Are you ready to lead with values, not just valedictories? Are you ready to make mistakes that will one day become meaningful milestones? Because excellence isn't just about grades. It's about grit. Do you agree? It's about showing up even when life throws quizzes that aren't multiple choice. It's about standing out not just in school, but in life, in service, and in purpose. So to all the honorees today, I challenge you to go beyond the medal. Use your voice, your mind, and your heart to change something, big or small. Be the student who doesn't just get awards, but gives the world something worth applauding. Are you up for the challenge? Yes. If yes, shout it with me. I am ready. Very good. One more time, louder. Then go and live it. Congratulations, and let's keep making BU Pulangi proud. Thank you and mabuhay kayong lahat.
Thank you, ma'am. At this point, we are deeply honored to be joined through his message by the esteemed leader at the helm of our beloved institution, a true exemplar of Bicol University's 4 pillars: scholarship, leadership, service, and character. Let us welcome our SUC President 4, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nabres III.
Thank you very much. To our distinguished guest, who happens to be my anak-anakan here, Ryan Turalde, esteemed faculty, to the Pulangi Administrator, headed by your lovely Dean, Dr. Mary Joy Katangi, and equally lovely Associate Dean, Dr. Flora Del Relucio. I don't know how to say, equally lovely rin ba, the CISA Coordinator, Professor Ben Saminiano, to the department chairpersons, other personnel, staff, to our awardees and honorees, parents, guardians, sarong maimbongpong hapon sa Indugabos, a warm afternoon to each and everyone. I am happy and grateful because BU Palangi, my home, has consistently grown over the years, particularly in the performance of its board exams. Indeed, you are not just life champions, but licensure examination champions. Hindi nyo ba papalakpakan yung mga sarili? Thank you for the gift of your constant outstanding performance, including your consistency in ensuring the compliance of your programs. This is precisely why we need to nurture the unwavering dedication, boundless passion, and transformative impact of the educators and future professionals from your campus for Bicol University and in the service of humanity. For today, we honor not just achievement, but transcendence, rising beyond challenges, surpassing expectation, and embracing the ever-evolving journey of teaching and learning. It is a journey that is meant to flow with the tides of time. It is a journey meant to be embraced while allowing ourselves to transcend beyond our mere compulsion towards the grades that we get or the recognition that we think we deserve, whether as a student or a student leader. After all, education is not merely the acquisition of knowledge. It is the power to uplift, to inspire, and to change lives. Each student, each educator has transcended limitations, turning obstacles into stepping stones, dream into realities, and aspirations into action. As you move forward, remember the true transcendence is found in the heart you touch, the minds you shape, and the legacy of enlightenment you leave behind. Thus, this is not just a celebration of academic achievement. It is a declaration that you are ready as a life champions, the future-ready professionals in the 21st century. Being a life champion is part of living out the values of our vision, a university for humanity, for sustainable societies, with the core values of productive scholarship, transformative leadership, collaborative service, and the most important of all is a distinctive character that make us truly Biueño. And what's that distinctive character? That is resilience and integrity. Continue to learn how to collaborate, to think critically, to solve problems creatively, and to embrace lifelong learnings. Be adaptable. The world will change, and you must evolve with it. Be collaborative. Success is not a solo endeavor. The best breakthrough come from working together as future professionals. Be innovative. The world needs fresh ideas, bold action, and creative minds like yours who are ready to think outside and beyond the usual box and patterns. Be resilient. Life will challenge you, but you are equipped to rise above every obstacle and help your future clients and yourself as a professional as you face the realities of world, to be resilient as well. To our dear faculty, students, honorees, alumni who are here, your dedication to shaping the future as a testament to the limitless height education can reach. May you continue to transcend, to transform, and to lead with wisdom, compassion, and unyielding spirit. Let us remember, create your own stories based from the story of God that will inspire others to create theirs and create our story as a Biueño with pride and resilient. Congratulations to all awardees and honorees. May your journey be one of continual transcendence and boundless possibility. Diyos ang magbalo sa gabos.
Thank you, sir, for that wise and inspiring words. At this juncture, may I invite Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Bores, our College Dean, Dr. Mary Joy B. Katangi, and our guest speaker, Mr. Ryan O. Tolarde, to join Dr. Nabres III on stage to award the medals and certificates of recognition to our outstanding students. Our outstanding students for the academic year 2024 to 2025 from the Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English 3, Princess Angel Canyutal, outstanding college student in leadership, outstanding college student in service. From the Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship 3, Mr. RJ P. Pagayonan, outstanding college student in scholarship. Thank you so much to our administrators and guests, and congratulations to our outstanding students. No recognition ceremony would be complete without hearing the voice of those we honor today. Representing the outstanding students of Bicol University Pulangi and speaking on behalf of his fellow awardees, let us now listen to a message of gratitude and inspiration from the outstanding college student of the academic year 2025 to 2024 to 2025, Mr. RJ P. Pagayonan.
Have you ever had one of those moments where you pause, look around, and ask yourself, paano nga ba ako nakarating dito? Not out of disbelief, but out of deep reflection. Maybe you are here today, sitting among your classmates, or maybe you're one of those students trying to hold back tears because you are not here today. Wondering if all those sleepless nights, silent breakdowns, and sacrifices were really worth it. Believe me, I've been there. Before I share more, allow me first to express my deepest gratitude and highest respect to the people who made today even more meaningful. To our respected University President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nabres III. To our esteemed Vice President for the Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Boris. To our beloved Dean, Dr. Maria Joy B. Katangi. To our supportive Associate Dean, Dr. Floradel S. Relucio. To our distinguished guest speaker, Mr. Ryan O. Talarde. And to our dedicated CISAC advisor, Sir Ben L. Semeniano. To my fellow students, and most especially to our proud parents who are always with us in our journey. To our dedicated department chairpersons, passionate faculty members, and hard-working non-teaching personnels. Magandang hapon po at isang taus-pusong pagpupugay sa inyong lahat. I am honored to share this moment with you. Upon receiving the news that I was recognized as your outstanding college student for this academic year, parang binalik ako sa kung saan ako nagsimula. I found myself reflecting, paano nga ba ako nakarating sa kinatatayuan ko ngayon? Was it luck? Nakachamba lang ba ako? Or maybe I am just dreaming. In the middle of those questions, a dear friend, a constant and caring one, messaged me that same day. She congratulated me and reminded me of a moment that I had almost forgotten. She said, "Hindi ba pangarap mo yan noon?" A dream I was whispered back when we were about to graduate from senior high school. To give you a bit of context, it was June 26, 2022, just 4 days before our senior high school graduation, around midnight, with those midnight thoughts conversations. She said, akala ko nga ikaw ang magva-valedictory speech sa batch natin. And I laughed and said, hindi ko goal yan. And that was the truth. I never imagined myself delivering this kind of speech back then. But what surprised me was the message I sent her after. Sabi ko, gusto ko mag-speech kapag college days ko na. At that moment, it was just a passing thought, or let's just say a simple wish. But today, standing before all of you, I realized that Midnight Wish has found its way into reality. To tell you honestly, it took me a lot of courage, perseverance, faith, and risk. I share the same story that many of you have, a roller coaster journey, sleepless nights, struggles, and yes, even the gastos. But despite the rocky roads that kept blocking my path, I became consistent. Each of us has different silent battles, and each of us has a powerful story about how we walk and survive our own journeys. But let me remind you, believing in yourself is not enough to thrive. It's the consistency, the commitment to keep showing up, to keep working even when no one is watching, to keep believing even when you're doubting yourself. Because if you believe in yourself, but don't have the consistency to endure the relentless battles in life, your dreams will remain not just dreams. And these lessons, my fellow students, goes beyond the four corners of our classrooms. Whether you are pursuing an academic goal, building a business, chasing a lifelong passion, or simply figuring out your next step in life, it is consistency paired with perseverance, courage, the willingness to take risks, and the faith that will get you there. And I know today you may not see the beauty of your destination. It may feel so far away, maybe even impossible. But trust me, when you get there, when you finally arrive, you will understand that every sleepless nights, every failure, and every moment of doubt was worth it. Because the view from the summit is not just beautiful, it's fulfilling beyond words. Zig Ziglar once said, "Difficult roads leads to beautiful destinations." That quote has walked with me through uncertainty, and today I hope it walks with you too. Because I stand here now not as someone who had it easy, but as someone who kept going despite not always seeing the light at the end. And believe me, the destination is beautiful. So to all of my fellow students, future entrepreneurs, future professionals, teachers, and future leaders, do not fear the hard days. Embrace them. Trust the process. Stay consistent. Be courageous. Persevere. Took the risk. And most importantly, believe not just in your dreams, but in your power to chase them all the way to a beautiful destination. And I stand here today not because I walked this difficult road alone, but because I was blessed with people who journeyed with me. First and foremost, to our Almighty God, for being my constant source of strength and wisdom, for guiding me through every uncertain step, and for turning my quiet prayers into loud victories. To my family, to Papa, I wish you were here celebrating this moment with me. But I know you're watching from above, and I carry your wisdom with me every day. It has been my guiding light through every challenge I take. To my mama, thank you will never be enough. Raising 8 children is no easy feat. Yet you did it and continue to do it with love, courage, and sacrifice. Ma, I am and will always be the proudest to be your children. To my ates and kuyas, thank you for sharing with me your knowledge, the lessons, your guidance, and the good values. Being your bonsoy is a gift that I will always be grateful for, especially to Ate Michelle. Your unwavering support, the One Call Away Ate series, your belief in me made such difference. Ates and Kuyas, this recognition was not mine alone, but it represents us all. To my Constance, Alexa, Mark Joy, Fiona Alicia, Mary Joy, Adrian, Jane, and Dobbs, thank you for being my sanctuary, for being there through every fear, tear, and love, for believing in me when I doubted myself. You guys reminded me of who I am and who I could become. To my second family, BS Antrap 3A and Golden Babies, especially to my Halo Halo, Jen, Renz, Aryan, and Reese, thank you for walking this path with me. We've burned the midnight oil together, shared dreams, doubts, and wins. Thank you for making this journey worthwhile. You were the best plot twist ever happened to my college journey. To my SOIE family, Ananas RC besties, Angel, Arbo, Tuyon, Joyce, and Jess, You opened the doors of leadership and service for me. Thank you for challenging me to always go beyond my comfort zones and to grow not just as a student, but also as a leader who serves others. I commend you all. To the real pillars of the entrepreneurship department, Ma'am Sani, Sir Sanjay, Ma'am Ruby, and Ma'am Joanna, thank you for molding us, for constantly reminding us that learning doesn't end within the four corners of our classrooms. You've instilled in us that entrepreneurship is not just about creating products and the tinda-tinda misconceptions, but we are solving problems and touching lives. You believe in our potential long before we saw it on ourselves. As we step out from our comfort of these walls and into the uncertainties of life, may we carry with us not just the knowledge we have gained, but also the lessons we've lived. That success is not a straight path. That dreams require more than wishful thinking, and it's not how fast you reach the destination, but how faithfully you walk the difficult roads. So to my fellow dreamers, embrace the detours, welcome the challenges, and trust the journey. Because even if you can see the beauty of your destination yet, today I promise you, once you arrive, it will be more than just worth it. It will be everything you hope for and more. Congratulations to us all. The future is waiting, and I have no doubt we are ready. This has been RJ Pring Pagayonan, your outstanding college student for this academic year 2024 to 2025, reminding you again that difficult roads leads to beautiful destinations. Maraming salamat po at ispadayon, Scholar ng Bayan.
Thank you so much and congratulations, Mr. Pagayonan. At this juncture, may I please invite on stage our College Dean, Dr. Mary Joy B. Katangi, our Associate Dean, Dr. Floradel S. Relucio, and our guest speaker, Mr. Ryan O. Tolarde, to lead the awarding of medals and certificates to the President's Listers and Dean's Listers of BU Pulangi. Ladies and gentlemen, our Presidents and Dean's Listers for the academic year 2024 to 2025. From the Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, Alcantara Luis Lainez. Balasta Kenneth Mark B. Medina Jewel Ann B. Barcelona Ian Roy B. Belaos Kimberly. Borlasa Jonil Victor III B. Burdeos Benedict J.D. Cano Quenny A. Clapis Dave Michael B. Dacilio Michael John O. Di Masayaw Don Robert C. Frutas Jude Melvin B. Jimenez Jude Dwight Oscar M. Leoneta May D. Misolas Zoe C. Moises Catherine B. Ocfemia Carl David Z. Orolfo Danreb John B. Peñaflor Catherine Claire B. Porcalia Kyla Cassandra L. Ranido Leslie Rose R. Razal Angelica May M. Recuenco Jomela R. Regalario Bea Amiel A. Renales Rodel Jr. C. Rayolo Amira Zandara E. Ricon Dorlene G. Rojo Angel Joy R. Sambitan Gail S. Samson Nathaniel O. Sarte Nicole L. Villanueva Jade F. Villarreal Axel D. Our presidents and dean solicitors from the Bachelor of Science in Information System. Ador Aaron James L. Arevalo Christine Zaira May B. Balaguer E.J. Carl C. Baloloy Rio Anthony B. Barkin Charles Emil C. Bautista Madel Jandra N. Borejon John Benedict C. Kasurog Jem N. De La Paz Paula Bianca B. Fetil Janie Cyrel N. Loneza Walton John L. Molieda C. Dion M. Quiapo BJ R. Reblando Reggie R. Romero Maricar R. The presidents and dean solicitors from the Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Bolo John Carl Q. De Guzman Adrian Kim P. Leona Yasmin May M. Lusantas Marian D. Relos Enrique Guillier O. The Dean's Solicitors and President's Solicitors from the Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, major in animation. Patetico Jashaya K.D. Presidents and Dean's Solicitors from the Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship. Alday Krisha Faye P. Bautista Marinel C. De Paula Francine Gwen S. Litan Angelo Mark A. Moradillo Sandra O. Nalvarte Althea K.R. Padua Laika Joy L. Pequeña Rochelle R. Pielago Sofia Francesca P. Kyobe Darren May P. Reliores Althea May A. Robrigado Ari Tony D. Rovelo Atea Oseli D. Sanorho Eloisa Franz M. Se Maynard Arvin S. Santa Romana Mary Grace P. Tagle Wadi S. Vizcaya Micah Angela V. Our President's Listers and Dean's Listers from the Bachelor of Elementary Education. Baliktar Leon May R. Boy Jenny Antoinette P. Gonzalez Maylen N. Marino Jofer A. Mendoza Maria Isabella Gail R. Monteras Mayan J. Olivares Ellie Rose B. Olivares Altea Krisha S. Oti Jusna Notoni B. Presentacion Diana May B. Renolayan Ira L. Sablaon Sherlane S. Sangreo Joy M. Sarmienta Kyla N. Sedanto Ann Dominic L. Sedutan Luidet R. Shock Cassandra Colleen R. The Presidents and Dean's Listers from the Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. Abinsay Eloisa T. Ante Sandra Faith B. Armea Megaela M. Arnado Lalith Anya M. Balmedina Emelu Gia O. Brozula Luigi A. De Guzman Sherime R. Fiel Reina Marie S. Hide Maria Cristina N. Largosa Nicole Angela L. Lauraya John Lawrence S. Liado Dominic P. Lubay Micaela B. Mariano Marlene R. Medina Angeli J. Montero Dorothy Faye S. Morata Pauline D. Nepomuceno Kelly T. Nepomuceno Kyla T. Pableo Joan K. Palma LV C. Peira May Andrea P. Ponteres Daisy F. Precioso Valerie R. Ragos Maria Cristina Cassandra A. Reyomalis Rica C. Reverente Marjon P. Roberto Macy Rose D. Roselada Kyla R. Sakayan Jonica V. Salinas Charney S. Sambahon Ramses S. Vasquez Jasmine S. The Presidents and Dean's Lister from the Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. Adan Princess Kiana F. Aguilar Razel Kate R. Banyares Renalyn J. Berce Chelsea Meg S. Blazo Lalaine May M. Gomez Emery S. Mejorada Abigail P. Navarez Charlene Z. Nual Erich B. Olay John Ronald S. Oloya Jaisel Grace O. Orbe John Paul L. Besante Maricon S. Saysay Hanime A. The President's Lister and Dean's Lister from the Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education. Kalikoy Antoinette C. Malate Bernadette B. Marmol John Michael B. Moros Roel B. Orayes Yanin A. Pandaan Emerson V. Parquez Erica May R. Pino Hazen B. Posilio Edlin Grace A. Ranara Trisha May M. Rayala Ivy Perlin S. Reoveros Sara R. Sarsha Ella B. Sariba Earl Justine B. Sigalat Andre Jonathan E. Villarreal Crystalline M. Thank you so much to our Presidents and Dean's Lister for the academic year 2024 to 2025. To award our consecutive Dean's Listers, may I please invite on stage our College Dean, Dr. Mary Joy B. Katangui, together with our Associate Dean, Dr. Floridel S. Relucio, with our College Student Affairs and Services Coordinator, Engineer Banel Samaniano, together with our Chairperson of Computer Studies Department, Professor Arnold B. Platon. our Dean's Lister for 2 consecutive semesters of 2024 to 2025. From the Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, Almonte Acada Riubi. Arcos Rian D. Balaguer Grace C. Begino RJ V. Briuega Silis Kari C. Our consecutive Dean's Listers from the Bachelor of Science in Information System, Alvarado Zajan M. Anobling Jonna May N. Bata Marise S. Bobier John Elmer Jr. B. Bongayan Rhea B. Borbe Rachel B. Bristol Neil Jasper Q. Cabaton Ken Joshua I. Cortez Aina Chanel C. Honrades Jamiel O. Infante Magdalene S. Labarrete John Iron R. Lobos Althea R. Lombres James Axel S. Makasinag Mary Grace M. Makauyam Vincent S. Madara Eliza G. Magallanes Alma Z. Mamisao Reynald Ian L. Marcaida Marian G. Marquez Kenneth N. Melia John Matthew B. Moneda Dazli D. Musa Samantha May A. Nasayaw Rhea May I. Nobleza Otelo III P. Nobleza Neil Adrian B. Non-Christian Jeric. Pesino Mark Selwyn G. Ranyola Rod B. Realisan Jamaica Q. Repolona Trisha May A. Sabater Christine May R. Sakulo Francine S.E.M. Sanyado Faith Ann S. Sarte John Mervyn R. Serrano Mark Eric P. Sinfuego Andre Lloyd V. Villanueva Christine O. Viñas Mary Grace Z. Our consecutive Dean's Listers from the Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Alcantara John Ray A. Arevalo Alexandra L. Baldonado Angel M. Barde Earl Cluster, Benitez K.B., Boringot Christine G., Bron Nina Jezreen M., Cardel Maria Fatima L., Costales Marian S., Dacuba Cindy Shane S., Dolon Elamay R., Garma Alea May T., Gomez Adeline Jolie V., Girinya Trisha May C., Hugo Carl Vincent B., Idanon John Mark C., Lorante Jason Michael J., Lumayad Victor Ronel P., Mondo Francia L., Morco Cherise Bianca J., Nate Simon Andreas Manuel M., Paraiso Alexandra Nicole C., Precioso Francesca Jean S., Kitasol Juliana Ebet P., Rafael Javic John R., Ragos Gabriel D., Our consecutive Dean's Lister from the Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering: Asis Jovel Marie T., Bantayan Rex C., Barcelon John Ron S., Benitez Carl James A., Kaaya Levi III D., Loreno Angelo G., Marquez Ralph R., Mendoza Hannah P., Monterola Raymond Patrick M., Elias Jonel O., Reyes Maria Isabel B., Rocco Kim Crisherel R., Our consecutive Dean's Lister from the Bachelor of Science in Electronics Engineering: Nemo Jerome V., Nuda Jeff Lawrence B., Our consecutive Dean's Lister from the Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship: Ante Irish Marianne V., Barquez Angela Marie S., Bondal Christian E., Boragay Joy D., Bosito Dave Mark C., Buen Viaje Mark Lloyd B., Campos Roxanne L., Clavicilia Chelsea A., Kulaway Ethan Jarod M., Dacilio Kate Dorothy S., Dehino Eliza N., Turan Adrian Iris. Fedelino Irish Jane S. Lapapan Raquel Imroy H. Lolo Lilian Marie R. Gloria Mitch J. Meliton Aleza Vea C. Mendoza Andrea Kate B. Molina Chini L. Olivares Christine Joy O. Osuna Angela B. Benyafiel Justin Alicia L. Rhea Lubit Maria Lourdes P. Red Pinky B. Refe Bryson Evan G. Remolar Corina S. Rayora Micaela R. Rivero Shiro Yuki R. Robledo Leon Jasmine R. Robrigado Alexandra B. Our consecutive Dean's Listers from the Bachelor of Elementary Education. Abanel Diana June M. Aguirre Nikki. Albia Nanette S. Alegre Sheriza S. Ano Nuevo Rosana R. Baleta Maria Paula Barde Jessica Andre B. Base Kate G. Batalier Maria Eliza V. Beranya Christine Joy O. Bodino Joanna May C. Borselis Lisa May N. Bron Liza Marie D. Buban Mona Lisa G. Bustamante Marlo Kenneth S. Kanya Maria Gabriela. Casero Charlene A. Clavo Renaline S. Cometa Liza May C. Cornelio Colan A. Corporal Darlene Joy P. Corporal Maria Paula E. De la Cruz Gayan V. Derama Mary Joy M. Dea Sherin May R. Figueroa Jake. Gayul Andrea May A. Lim Katrina R. Lianza Fiona Lynn O. Lumaad Maricar O. Malapo Daisy T. Malto Maria Bernadette B. Manreal Nathaniel L. Melarpis Vanessa T. Mendina Erica Jane B. Emilio Sofia S. Nobleza Sofia Grace S. Obis Jacelyn Faye D. Ocampo Laika P. Orais Milliard Carl C. Payan Gian B. Peña Kyla May S. Pereña Joyce Arabella T. Polvoriza Sherin R. Kilat Sheena May J. Rabenites Remy Rose S. Ramaliosa Pauline Chris D. Rangasa Roan B. Rhea Christine Lane N. Rhea Lubit Maria Carla R. Rebellion Pinky R. Reblora Gisela Jane A. Refereza Janine B. Refugio Arabella I. Relato Shaina B. Rampilio Jasmine N. Rentos Trisha May R. Rex Andrea R. Ricacho Carmela Jean L. Sapareza Angel Joyce A. Sapio Tanya M. Sapit Arlene R. Siblayan Phoebe Jr. Salem John Ray E. Samarista Christine May D. Sanorho Micaela B. Sarte Kyra Atasha S. Silerio Rica V. Sola Johnny Silene D. Santo Domingo Kate Angelica G. Suya Christine Novea A. TB Charmaine T. Tupal Aramil M. Tuyo Nathalie Mavi P. Our consecutive Dean's Lister from the Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. Acuna Christine B. Agarin Melissa B. Agnote Ruideza R. Aguenza Krisha Lee C. Andres Nika C. Bakiran Maria Lourdes L. Daria Joy G. Bondad Hazel Joy B. Borja Hana Veronique T. Buban Bea Bianca M. Buere Abigail M. Canoa Hazel N. Carillo Kyla C. Cas Edralyn B. Dalma Angie Catherine S. And Sila Emmy Jane R. Ferolinos Sandy S. Fria Jonathan O. Jeronimo John Adref S. Imperial Shinalu L. King Haname T. Listanco Julian Krister B. Madrideo Angelica A. Malate Trisha May P. Mirabueno Marily N. Monteras May B. Mora Jenny Ann V. Naris Nika M. Orsena Nicole. Ornido Eunice Jane L. Penis Rhea B. Perez John Rean S. Pura Hazel Mocha B. Repala Arvin J. M. Reyes Desiree G. Roncesvalles Eliza R. Rucha Crisabel P. Sandagon Shine B. Saysay Ashley Louise R. Segubiense Valerie May S. Sepato Jenny S. Our consecutive Dean's Listers from the Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. Aguilar Ninmark A. Aguilar Randil Keith R. Amity Michelle A. Arbor John Ray E. Baltazar Trisha May C. Benitez Laika May B. Bragais Mark Lester B. Buban Jemarie M. Sedo Maria Hannah Shane V. Cornell Angeline B. Ederio Rosalie S. Gantalao Eliami D. Hernale James Ian R. Buda Cristel R. Lagrada Nilbe R. Lumangaya Harian E. Marbella Rhea C. Matris Kyla S. Mohar David Louis M. Mora Boyet C. Nacario Leon Mariel D. Nanyo Paula Alexia M. Valencia Queenie S. Balmiano Jamaica B. Pino Beverly B. Pedrajeta Mawin L. Dines Mark Jonash B. Bokaan Alaika B. Ponce Baby Chris A. Botonia Julie Ann. Kino Camille P. Rentoy Nicole M. Reynera Nicole Andre B. Rio Frio John Bernard D. Rojo Dinah May L. Samaniego Julie Faith R. Santor Ayana Jade M. Santos Lino Xavier O. Satuito Kim Elmer S. Soriano Julian C. Tabarangao Sheila F. Trujillo Alexis B. Iago Only H. Our consecutive Dean's Listers from the Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education. Abanyo Althea Marie P. Agarin Louis Justine M. Alvarez Larissa Laika A. Ardales Jerry B. Aceron Carlo Antonio P. Azutea Maria. Azutea Maria Chamel N. Badong Andre Jefferson C. Bangate Cedric B. Batalia Kian B. Bobis Francisca N. Wait. Bodino Marjorie C. Bosito Glessy D. Bradesina Maria Giliana L. Bragais Nadia Lynn L. Brotamante Hope P. Luisa Justine Patrick P. Kamul Hannah Jane D. Canyotal Maria Cristel E. Castuera Harold O. Cerdenia Catherine B. Citra Mark Nathaniel P. Citra Mark Nielsen P. Colico Giovanna Joyce S. Esparaguera Christine Andrea B. Gomez MJ Jeremy S. Inisha Ray C. Laksamana Jovialine B. Leron Archangel L.
Makasinag Johnson Lance F. Martinez Irene C. Matriz Queni Marie G. Mendivel Maria K. Cassandra R. Milete Angela P. Moratalia Jamkert G. Nario Rica May R. Nepomuceno Ivy France R. Perdigon John Marlo S. Perez Syra Lee Gwen F. Perez Alia B. Rhea Lubit Lawrence C. Rebanal Emily B. Reyoveros Jackie B. Robins Alisandra M. Roma Erickson A. Sabater Ariela Megan F. Saboriendo Guinevere B. Sanchez Samantha P. Sanico Maria Andre Apple Lee P. Sate Julie May S. Tabar Angelica May T. Valenzuela Oscar Jr. C. Vargas Rhea B. Samudio Laika Q. For Bachelor of Science in Automotive Technology, Baluran Mark Ryan Anthony L. Barnedo Kenneth J. A. Bawit Sheila May L. Buagnin Christian Timothy N. Castuera Herbert O. Copino Samuel R. Dakara Jericho V. De Villa Clark Aaron N. De Los Santos John Carlo C. Manuel Guillermo Bien Jose R. Marbid Eliza Marie L. Martilian Giselle O. Morandate Mark B. Nushete John Carlos R. Ocampo Romeo. Octavo Jose Julius V. Piepe Ren J. P. Quinto Rocky Boy D. Razo Alexa G. Recato Joshua O. and Sakido Ronald T. And for Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Technology, Colima Terence Nel P.
Thank you once again to our administrators and congratulations to all our awardees. At this meaningful juncture in our ceremony, we now turn to a highlight that promises to inspire and enlighten us all. The message of our distinguished guest speaker. To formally introduce our guest, it is my honor to welcome the chairperson of the Computer Studies Department. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Professor Arnold B. Platon.
Good afternoon, everyone. To our distinguished guests, university officials, to the BU Pulangi family, parents, and of course, to our amazing Bicol University Pulangi student awardees. It is my honor and pleasure to introduce someone who once sat where you are now, full of dreams and ready to take on the world. Our guest speaker today is a proud graduate of Bicol University Pulangi, where he took up BS Computer Science. Back in his student days, he was already showing what it means to live out Bicol University's 4 pillars: scholarship, leadership, character, and service. He was BU Pulangi's outstanding graduate in 2023 and received the Academic Excellence Award and the UCPB CIIF Scholarship Excellence Award, and was part of the Bicol University Order of the Blue Feather Society. On top of that, he's also a research awardee and served as the associate editor of The Inditers. After college, he went on to build a successful and diverse career. He worked in the telecom industry for over 5 years, focusing on operations and enterprise data management. He also spent time in fintech as a business analyst and in HR shared services, working on people analytics. The mix of technology and people skills really shows the kind of leadership and character Bicol University instills in its students, being able to adapt, grow, and make a difference wherever they are. But what really sets him apart is his heart over service. For the past 5 years, he's been in the finance industry, and for 8 years now, he's been a licensed financial advisor, helping Filipino families plan for a better, more secure future. Whether it's managing corporate accounts or guiding families with their finances, he's all about turning data into direction and protection into peace of mind. He's also a husband, a mentor, and an inspiration to many. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming back to his roots our guest speaker, Mr. Ryan O. Turalde.
Wow. Thank you, sir. To our university president, although he's not here, Dr. Benjamin Nebres, to our dean, Madam Mary Joy Katangi, and to our associate dean, Ma'am Dimple, to Sir Ben, and to all the faculty members, to all the achievers and proud parents. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Isang malaking karangalan po na maimbitahan bilang inyong panauhin. Alam ninyo, 12 years ago, that was 2013, tulad nyo rin ako, very uncertain as to what the future might hold. But today, I will be sharing with you my journey and give you some practical tips that you might be able to use to navigate the future. Pero bago ang lahat, let me give you a flashback of my story way back before. So you know when I was in college, hindi rin naging madali ang lahat. Actually, mala MMK po ang story ko. Kaya siguro tumatak ako sa maraming professors and faculty. Magsi-second year ako noon nung nagkasakit yung father ko and kailangan niyang operahan. And because of that, muntik na akong huminto sa pag-aaral. Pero dahil sa tulong po nila Ate Cecil, ni Sir Benji, ni Madam Katanggi, ni Madam Nelly Belches, and also through the scholarship program ng UCPB Foundation, I was able to continue my studies. Aside from the scholarship, I also became a working student. So I juggled academic deadlines, student orgs, I became member of the Inditers. Hello to all the Inditers out there. And also a job as a student assistant. That's why sobrang saludo po ako sa lahat ng mga working student na achievers, student leaders, at mga student assistants. No? Fast forward, I became an IT professional, technical business analyst, and also a project manager and many other roles. I've worked across broad range of domains like sales, marketing, operations, finance, and even working as an insurance advisor. I share this with you because the world we're in doesn't run in straight lines. You know, success isn't always about following one fixed path. It's about being adaptable, resourceful, and open to growth, even in unexpected places, and even if it means switching or shifting careers. It's okay. Don't mind the people around you, what they are telling about you. Okay? We are in the era of life champions. So hindi lang sapat na matalino, dapat may disiplina, may diskarte. Combine passion with practicality. So that's my number one tip to you. Combine passion with practicality and be future ready. One truth I've learned, especially in the world of data and finance, is this. Having multiple sources of income is no longer a luxury, it is a necessity. We have to learn how to diversify for us to thrive in this unpredictable world, you know? It's also important to have the right mindset. Do not fear challenges. One concrete example for this is during pandemic. You know, when everyone was very fearful, I took the risk. What I did? Nung down ng stock market, I traded stocks. If some of you are familiar with Dito Telecommunity, I bought stocks of that, and then when it shoot up, I sold the stocks that I have. And I made profit from that. That's one of the tips that I can give for you. Keep learning, stay curious, and remember that being future ready isn't about knowing everything. It's about being brave enough to start. And finally, in our pursuit for success, may we be reminded of the 4 pillars of the institution. Namely, productive scholarship, transformative leadership, collaborative service, and distinctive character. Because it is through these values that we can make truly lasting impact in our communities. Again, congratulations to all of you, and go conquer the future with heart, with grit, and with courage.
Thank you so much to our esteemed speaker, Mr. Torralde. Your inspiring message will surely resonate with our awardees. In grateful recognition of your time and wisdom, we would like to present you with a certificate of appreciation. At this moment, may I invite on stage our College Dean, Dr. Mary Joy B. Katanggi, together with our Associate Dean, Dr. Floridel S. Relucio, the Chairperson of Computer Studies Department, Professor Arnold Platon, together with our College Student Affairs Coordinator, Engineer Ben L. Semeniano, to award our certificate to our distinguished guest speaker. Once again, thank you so much, Mr. Torralde, and to our administrators. We now proceed to a significant part of our program, the awarding of certificates to our Dean's Listers for the first and second semesters for the academic year 2024 to 25. To assist us in presenting the certificates, may I warmly invite on stage our department chairpersons. Professor Maria Celeste Di San Pablo of Teacher Education Department, Engineer Eunice Jane B. Doctor of Engineering Department, Professor Arnold B. Platan of Computer Studies Department, Professor Sanilan Raquillas of Entrepreneurship Department, Engineer Janlo Idiamse of Technology Department, and Dr. Artemio Jerome S. Rivera Jr. from Nursing Department. Ladies and gentlemen, the Dean's Lister for the first semester 2024 to 2025 from the Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, Biasca Gurley L. Camacho Humphrey Andre L. Kaubag Asher B. Citra Nira B. Honda Matthew B. Durante Maria Jesusa Morain M. Francisco Mike Angelo G. Locre May Charms B. Madrignon Kathleen C. Maliari Tashi. Maureen Stephanie B. Nase Christian Lexus N. Narito Jersey N. Nebria James Louis T. Olequino Leonard Paula O. Palmiano Zeus Lawrence C. Portugal Aloysius Irish O. The Dean's Lister for the first semester from the Bachelor of Science in Information System, Abad Jess R. Apila Mark Steve J. L. Ansiro Arth Gian James R. Aurelio Bry Luis G. Aureliano Amy Jane B. Biton Julie Aya B. Bonayon Arabella J. Borrero Fividon P. Bragais Justine. Brohan Renzo R. Buenaflor Rica May A. Canyotal April E. Kayoli Cherry May D. Kater John Carl L. Chicago Elmo S. Our Dean's Lister for this first semester from the Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, Adra Mega M. Alvarez Grija R. Enrico Sergio Nicolai M. Antang Mark Angelo A. Baratilia Jessamay G. Batalier Jovan S. Berinya LGB, Bino Hazel L, Bo Gurley R, Bongol Carlo B, Cagnayo Jericho N, Kasuko Eliza Fer N, Dakara Jesser John V, and Sisa Lloyd Riza Ira D, Esperanza Alaya Nicole C. Our Dean's Lister for the second semester from the Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, major in Animation. Ailes Adrian Vincent B. Banta Krish Jarid O. Barnedo Antonio Eve B. Basilonia John Denise R. Belen Jody Simon Q. Broqueza Mark Philip B. Our Dean's Lister for the first semester from the Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering. Albaniel Clyde Jordan C. Alibudbud Allen Keats D. Bodonal John Paul B. Boribor Mark Vincent V. Bukay Gerald C. Kalisin Jobert Jad A. Kano Jedex T. Demalcom Nabella A. Escorial Glenn Reg Jr. Esteliore Krisha May A. Fragio Alexandra D. Fresado Rainer G. Gonzalez Kenneth. Gracio Axeldon B. Kelly Adrian Carl C. Lorenzana Jessa L. Madrid Mary Jezebel S. Marinal Hill G. Muhar Althea Danielle S. Ondevilla Isaiah Can B. Our Dean's Lister for the first semester from the Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship. Buenafe Jasa G. Concepcion Arabella C. Dalma Janil B. Gonzalez Camille G. Sena Christian Joseph N. Tibor Maria Lala D. Tobongbanwa Micaela R. U Maria Sofia V. Our Dean's Lister for the first semester from the Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Agnes Eliza M. Alano Alexer John M. Alano Christian J. Francis P. Albino John C. Almuena Stephanie May M. Ariola Nicole Ann D. Asuncion Hannah Gwyneth S. Bacon Abigail R. Balmaceda Eliza R. Banzagales Nicole V. Baricante Fortunata Shirley B. Barossa Jane Kyla S. Behison Derek Gabriela. Belarmino Jonrel Jules D. Berina Yadiza May Ann. Bernardo Eliza B. Our Dean's Lister for the first semester from the Bachelor of Science in Electrical Technology. Aramburo J.R. D. Banyares Arlo M. Camano Policarpio Jr. C. Kamata Nel John B. Camoral John Carl D. Casino Paul James T. Del Valle Kim Brian P. Gados John Edward B. Garcia Francis Jumil E. Gonzalo Marlu Elijah S. Ibayas Yuri C. Lorica Mark John M. Mangampo Mark Dave O. Mariscotes Shane Jos S. Relorcasa John Paul P. Rosamiran Richard Oliver M. Sales Gian Paulo S. Salyao Ardion R. Talavera John Ray. Tria Christopher King S. Our Dean's Lister for the second semester from the Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. Aguilar Roger Santiago A. Bahar John Kenneth. Bandojo Angelo Ted G. Boticario James Martin L. Bueno Melvin Jr. B. Carrascal Joey Melson M. Castillo Sean Francis Ryan P. Chavez Isabel Laar. De la Cruz Gabriel O. Enoje John Kenneth N. Espinada Jean Stephen C. Gala Jerome Francis N. Geraldez Leonel Simon M. Dimpao Ashron Ben M. Gonzalez Rosie Sinai D. Guevara Violin R. Legazpi Jeremy S. Mariano Shire J. C. Marollano Al Justine B. Masilang Micaela B. Miliana Fritzi A. Mirabel Harvey A. Our Dean's Lister for the second semester from the Bachelor of Science in Information System. Abanal Chariz D. Benisano Aliana Janelle C. Consuelo Alexis. Juarez Analiza N. Layosa Kyla Shaina B. Liaguno Abi V. Lozano Eunice L. Namya Kyle Matthew A. Nicole Mary Francine G. Peñaflor Shane Yvette C. Rhea Lubit Ira Chelsea M. Rayodike Kirk Justine N. Rico Donalyn Grace C. Sanico Queenie B. Sola Samantha Louise V. Zuniega Marial Angel M. Our Dean's Lister for the second semester from the Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Andas John Nelson P. Apoon Chris Ann B. Arevalo Lance Joshua M. Asgar Rayson Y. Asuncion Allen Benedict S. Baliktar Judy Pearl C. Balunsay Hazel Marie I. Barajas Angela R. Base Jeric S. Belga Eliza R. Belen Juvie B. Belmonte Joshua L. Bercilia Camille T. Bessa Tricia Pauline A. Beos Queen Lara L. Bon John Paul R. Bonaobra Eric John R. Bonaobra Manilin B. Broma Anna May P. Caigas Jacinth D. Camacho Armia P. Camoral John Mark T. Carilia Grace Ann S. Cipriano Cyron B. Concepcion Alexa B. Our Dean's Lister for the second semester from the Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship. Armenia Angel T. Balidoy Wendy R. Beheno Darlene R. Boy Pia Bianca P. Cabadato Regine. Kabul Arturo Jr. B. Calieja Jesusa A. Calliope Siza Nicole N. Kanya Fiona Andrea N. Canyaveral Luke Joriel M. Celeste Cristal Marvy M. Cervantes Arabella R. Cope Eric B. Diwa Rodel C. and Cesar Julie A. Garcia Maria Alexa M. General Onyal R. Genobiagon Ana C. Hernandez Rowell April C. Isagire John Mark R. The Dean's Lister for the second semester from the Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Adivino Hala J. Alamo Charmaine Yvonne M. Almonte Aprilin D. Amano Alexa Nevi P. Angeles Shaina Margot R. Arevalo Jana Angelica Lay L. Atun Kid D. Balde Cyril Dane Marie S. Barbacena Dorina A. Barde Aldrine P. Bello Joanna Marie P. Bermiro Venice Elaine Faye M. Bien Jude Felix C. Bonda Danielen D. Bongalbal Justine Jane D. Borromeo Andrea Faye A. Our Dean's Lister for the second semester from the Bachelor of Elementary Education. Abelia Raymond James M. Aganon Mea Jessa A. Aguila Rhea Angela S. Alpapara Jennifer B. Avisado Maxine Arnel R. Batalier Micaela Jonah B. Bea Andrea Monique C. Benisano Joyan C. Bergais Lowella. Cahiles Miraluz R. Kalakday John Matthew S. Caparal Angel R. Carizo Marial Ann R. Our Dean's Lister for the second semester from the Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. Baliano Rachel E. Bendanya Rainiel E. Bon Ryan R. Bondad Serenity J. Buenagua Leora KB. Burse Jesus Aldre R. Cagnayo Mary Joan R. Canaria Cipriano Jr. D. Our Dean's Lister for the second semester from the Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. Arrepentido Vanessa Faith O. Bon Angelica Joyce L. Cabalan John Albert C. Kanya Rayan Syra P. Carulio Jerome P. Cruz Victoria Marie B. Estares Jessa P. Gabriel Marial Z. Jacob Claire Ann B. Latina Rolly F. Liam Julian May P. Leona Lehani Liha Lira M. Our Dean's Lister for the second semester from the Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education. Aguilar Irie Jim G. Binyon Jobert C. Brazos Joina Marie M. Falcon JC James C. Garcia Mark Vincent T. Oceana Jonice V. Our Dean's Lister for the second semester from the Bachelor of Science in Automotive Technology. Aganan Mac Harold E. Baclao Francis John M. Bigata Resty Dave Angelo B. Bilolo Jobet C. Bobis Antonio Leon M. Celosa Michael J. A. Damot Jeric B. Fernandez Mont Gabriel O. Legzon Joey Hans Mark R. Lumabad Jovan Lay A. Mamayo RJR. Navarro John Michael M. Nocos Jovan P. Nopia Arvin N. Obresio Henry Jr. M. Palamara Jobert R. Ranara Jeromichael M. Ranyola Earl Francis I. Regalario Benji E. Regalario Kenneth E. Ratubio Jude E. Rumbao RVF. Sabucor Mark Carlo R. Samaniego Elfren B. Sangreo John Aaron C. Sario Dylan Dumer Z. Our Dean's Lister for the second semester from the Bachelor of Science in Electronics Technology. Arazbi Ariane Charlotte E. Avila Shimmer Cyrus O. Buenaflor John Jacob S. Duizon Iris A. Sedo Kim E. Chicago Liza Joy G. Bianyo Sonny Boy M. Labuguen Antonio. Lagason Francis Louis M. Thank you so much to our department chairpersons and congratulations to our awardees. We now turn our attention to recognizing the individuals who have shown exceptional dedication, excellence, and impact in the field of teaching. It is with great pride that we present the awarding of certificates to our outstanding faculty members for the first and second semesters of the academic year 2024 to 2025. To lead the awarding, may I respectfully invite on stage our administrators, our College Dean, Dr. Katangi, our Associate Dean, Dr. Relucio, and to recognize our esteemed outstanding faculty members. Our outstanding faculty for the first semester 2024 to 2025. From the Computer Studies Department, Professor Naz Vince Angelo E. Professor Platon Arnold B. Our outstanding faculty members from the Electronics and Computer Engineering Department, Professor Makasinag Ronnie A. Professor Plaza Philomeno III E. Professor Silang Karil A. faculty members from Nursing Department. Professor Amaranto Christian Dior L. Professor Juarez Vivian P. Professor Liao Lorena V. Professor Nuiles Wenstor. Professor Ragodon Maria Ardale D. Professor Ramon Maria Mercedes A. Professor Rivera Christine Genevieve B. Professor Villacruz Marvin. Professor Vibar Bernadita C. Professor Yokchonko Maria Brenda P. Our outstanding faculty members from the Teacher Education Department. Professor Albao Evelyn R. Professor Belbes Ricardo Jr. Professor Kapate Rubiliza M. Professor Katangi Mary Joy B. Professor Reforzado Bernard S. Professor Salinal Janet Z. Professor San Pablo Maria Celeste D. Professor Tanggin Joverine D. Professor Topasi Jonipet P. And Professor Nebres Babyboy Benjamin III Dean. Our outstanding faculty members from the Technology Department. Professor Malate Adrian. For our outstanding faculty members for the second semester 2024 to 2025, from the Computer Studies Department, Professor Platon Arnold B. Our outstanding faculty from the Electronics and Computer Engineering Department, Professor Bobis Borman. Professor Macasina Ronnie A. Professor Relion Melissa Jinky S. Our outstanding faculty members for the second semester from the Nursing Department, Professor Nuiles Wenstor. Professor Ragodon Maria Ardel D. Professor Ramon Maria Mercedes A. Professor Velacruz Marvin. Professor Yapchonko Maria Brenda B. Our outstanding faculty members for the second semester from the Teacher Education Department. Professor Belbes Ricardo Jr. Professor Capote Rubeliza M. Professor Katangi Maryjoy B. Professor Miraflor Beverly R. Professor Nuez April Joy B. Professor Reburiano Mary Joy. Professor Reforzado Bernard S. Professor Salinal Janet Z. Professor San Pablo Maria Celeste D. And Professor Tanggin Joverine D. Thank you so much to our administrators and congratulations to the outstanding faculty members of Bicol University, Polanyi. And our outstanding faculty members from the Technology Department, Professor Malate Adrian, Professor Samaniego Edsel P. Once again, thank you so much to our administrators and congratulations to the outstanding faculty members of Bicol University, Polanyi. We now proceed to the awarding of certificates to the winners of the Research and Development Forum, a celebration of innovation, critical inquiry, and academic rigor. To lead the awarding, may I kindly invite our research coordinator, Professor April Joy B. Nuez, together with Professor Edward B. Pascuala, to come on stage and present the certificates to our distinguished winners. Our 2025 Bicol University Polanyi Student Research and Development Forum. For the Agriculture, Aquatic and Natural Resources, or AANR, from the Bachelor of Science in Nursing, titled Exploring the Dietary Practices of Indigent Families in Meal Preparation of Pregnant Mothers in Polanyi, Albay. Jude Felix C. Bien, Justine Jane D. Bongalbao, Janelle Marie D. Dianella, and Kashli Q. Palo. Advisor, Professor Christine Genevieve B. Rivera. For the development category, from the Bachelor of Science in Electronics Engineering, titled Prediction of Hatching Time of Chicken Eggs, using machine learning. Researchers Nika Micaela A. Esperanza, Xavier R. Sacobon, John Timothy H. Natividad, and John Leonard B. Barasana. Advisor, Engineer Filomeno E. Plaza III. For the Industry, Energy, and Emerging Technology category, from the Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship, titled Financial Management Practices of Polanyi Night Market Vendors on Assessment. Researchers, Jessa May T. Volante, Maria Alexa N. Garcia, and Micaela Ala. Advisor, Professor Sanilan G. Requillas. the development category, from the Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, titled Vehicle Proximity with Alert Detection, researchers Alan Kitts D., Alibudbud Kenneth Gonzalez, Maricon T. Saunar, and Jonel O. Olayas. Advisor, Engineer Ben L. Saminiano. For the Health and Health System Management category, from the Bachelor of Science in Nursing, titled In Vitro Analysis on the Antiolithic Activity of Baco, leaf extract on depletion, aggregation, and dissolution assays. Researchers, Emaliza P. Rivera, Joban B. Opeña, and Zon Alain Rafael A. Ruiz. Advisor, Professor Marvin U. Cruz. For the development category, from the Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, titled WATPAD, Water Portability Assessment Device Utilizing Parameters through Machine Learning. Researchers, Levi B. Caaya III and Paulo Simeon O. Satuito. Advisor, Engineer Ben L. Saminiano. For the Climate Change Adaptation and Disaster Risk Reduction category, from the Bachelor of Science in Nursing, titled Rising Heat Index and Its Implications on Health, Assessing Health-Related Challenges Experienced by Senior High School Students in Pulangi, Albay. Researchers, Micaela Elie Bolaños, K. Zalan V. Lauta, Bilyarmin T. Milan, and Danica V. B. Pemia. Advisor, Professor Vivian P. Juarez.
For the development category, from the Bachelor of Science and Electronics Engineering, title, LoRa Enable Road Passability Real-Time Flood Monitoring System. Researchers, Earl Gerard R. Bozo, Joanna May C. Cañaveral, and Jane Rose N. Oribiada. Advisor, Engineer Filomeno E. Plaza III. From the Inclusive Education and Lifelong Learning, research category, from the Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics, title, Brigada Pagbilang, an after-school remedial program and enhancing mathematics 7 competencies. Researcher, Mark Lester B. Burgais, Ninmark A. Aguilar, and Michael V. Vio Jr. Advisor, Professor John Thomas B. Satimbre. For the development category, from the Bachelor of Science and Information Technology, major in Animation, title, Ang Sayaw Kan Tulong Bulod, an interactive animated storybook. Researcher, Mark Vincent S. Cardinal, John Paul S. Abion, and Mariel Palermo. Advisor, Professor Blesica B. Dorasan. From the Best Undergraduate Thesis Award, from the Bachelor of Science in Electronics Technology, title, Customized Simulation Board for Electronics Technology Laboratories. Researchers, Jade Wingard S. Saculo, John Michael U. Sario, John Andre B. Beliver, Rins Brian N. Sario, Erica C. Valenzuela, Alex I. Jeronimo, Jennifer L. Rascal, and Rachel N. Mejos. Advisor, Professor Arian P. Ali. From the Bachelor of Science in Electrical Technology, title, Mini-Arc Generator with VAR-IAC and Instructional Mock-Up. Researcher, J. Emmanuel Reforzado. Advisor, Engineer Shana B. Llamera. From the Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Technology, title, multi-purpose operational machine for wood and metal. Researchers, Patrick Roman P. Rayala, Adrian Bong G. Alos, Mark Louis T. Pañado, John Lester P. Kilala, Justin Jake O. Nolasco, Jake L. Magdasok, Aljon R. Casoco, Advisor, Professor Jaime B. Sanchano. From the Bachelor of Science and Entrepreneurship, title, Financial Management Practices of Pulangi Night Market Vendors and Assessment. Researchers, Jessa May M. T. Volante, Maria Alexa N. Garcia, and Micaela Ala. Advisor, Professor Sanilan G. Requillas. From the Bachelor of Elementary Education, title, Development and Utilization of Spark Learning Kit and Teaching Elementary Physics. Researchers, Renaline S. Clavo, Maria Bernadette Malto, and Juvie Vista. Advisor, Professor Janet Z. Salinel. From the Bachelor and Secondary Education major in English, title, Fluency Adventure, Challenge-Based Activities for Grade 8 Reading Enhancement. Researchers, Francel M. Casimero, Nicole Angela L. Largoza, and LB C. Palma. Advisor, Professor Maria Teresa I. Magdasol. From the Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Math, title, Brigada Pagbilang and After-School Remedial Program in Enhancing Mathematics 7 Competencies. Researchers, Mark Lester Bergais, Mark A. Aguilar, and Michael V. Villot Jr. Advisor, Professor John Thomas B. Satimbre. From the Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, major in Information and Computer Technology. Title, Gamified Instruction, Enhancing Learners' Motivation on Special and Inclusive Animated Videos. Researchers, Ari Aguilar, Sinen Oraye, and Micaela Villanueva. Advisor, Professor Maria Teresa I. Magdasol. Bachelor of Science and Electronics Engineering. Title, LoRa-Enabled Road Passability Real-Time Monitoring System. Researchers, Earl Gerald R. Brazo, Joanna May C. Canaveral, and Jean Rose N. Oribiada. Advisor, Engineer Filomeno E. Laza III. From the Bachelor of Science and Computer Engineering. Title, Wattpad Water Potability Assessment Device Utilizing Microwatt Parameters through Machine Learning. Researchers, Levi P. Caaya III and Paulo Simeon O. Sotwito. Advisor, Engineer Ben L. Sominiano. From the Bachelor of Science and Information Systems. Title, Albay Dialects Hub, a web-based system in mastering the basic dialects of Albay. Researchers, Ken Joshua Cabaton, John Aaron Labarete, and Alma Magallanes. Advisor, Professor Joseph L. Carinan. From the Bachelor of Science and Information Technology major in Animation. Title, The Tale of Sakirao, a 3D animated adaptation of a Bicolano folktale. Researchers, Joshua Bill Jove Antivo, Anjo B. Barakel, and Ace Isaiah B. Bailon. Advisor, Professor George Sopilicio Aganan. From the Bachelor of Science and Information Technology. Title, NutriKit, a recommendation application for common nutrient deficiencies. Researchers, Mark Angelo A. Antang, John Ivan B. Pelaso, and Carl James N. Tolarba. Advisor, Professor Joseph L. Carinan. From the Bachelor of Science and Computer Science, title, Vision AR, Enhancing Independence for Elderly individuals with visual impairments through real-time object recognition and voice assistance. Researchers Joel Raiton, Andrea Bea A. Ensenada, and Carl James M. Comita. Advisor, Professor Susanes S. Kausapin. From the Bachelor of Science in Nursing, title, In Vitro Analysis on Anterior Euthanatic Activity on PACO, Leaf Extract on Nucleation, Aggregation, and Dissolution Assays. Researchers, Emaliza P. Rivera, Jopat N. Opeña, and San Alin Rafael A. Susuris. Advisor, Marvin V. U. Velacruz. From the Bachelor of Science in Food Technology, title, Sanitation Practices of Unlimited Sangyupsal Restaurants in the 3rd District of Albay, GMP and SSOP Perspective. Researchers, Mark Anthony Nacuela, Atasha Angelica Nocedo, and Georgina N. Oblinda. Advisor, Professor Dexter C. Sarte.
Thank you so much, Professor Nuez and Professor Pascuala. And thank you, Ronnie Bambe. And congratulations to our R&D Forum winners. Now, may I request Professor AJ Nuez to please remain on stage. And may I please invite on stage our Associate Dean, Dr. Floridel S. Relucio, as we recognize the exceptional scholarly work that demonstrates depth of research, originality, and academic excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, the award is for Best Thesis. Once again, thank you so much, Ma'am Nuez and Sir Pascuala, and congratulations to our R&D Forum winners and Best Thesis awardees. We now proceed to the awarding of certificates to the Outstanding College-Based Organization, a recognition of exemplary service, leadership, and meaningful contributions to student life and the academic community. To help us present this recognition, may I invite on stage our College Dean, Dr. Mary Joy B. Katangi, our Associate Dean, Dr. Floridel S. Relucio, and our College Student Affairs Coordinator, Engineer Ban L. Samaniano. Our outstanding college-based organization. Congratulations, Red Cross Youth Council, or RCYC. Congratulations, RCYC. We now proceed to the awarding of medals and certificates to the Dean Citation Award for Leadership, a recognition given to student leaders who have demonstrated exceptional initiative, integrity, and impact within and beyond the college community. Our Dean Citations for Leadership, Nico B. Sayad, Internal Vice President of Association of Computer Science Students. Cyrus Carl R. Odoño, President of Electronics Technology Student Organization. Mark Jonas P. Pines, President of Association of Young Mentors. Ashley Q. Palo, President of Community Health Action Volunteer. Francine Keisha De Mesa, President of Institute of Computer Engineers of the Philippines, Student Edition, Bicol University. RJ P. Pagayonan, President of Young Entrepreneur Society Organization of Innovative Entrepreneurs. Kimberly Ann M. Mendiola, President of Uplift Nursing Student Guild. Nicole Alessandra O. Martinez, President of Philippine Nursing Student Association. Jana Angelica Lay L. Arevalo, President of Red Cross Youth Council. Micaela M. Armea, President of Sports Club Organization. Marian R. Sayaga, President of Mock Drinker Society. Joyna Jacob B. Bon, President of Philippine Association of Food Technologies, BUPC Chapter. Ronnie O. Bambe, President of Spectra. Noel O. Rosaleda, Grand Chancellor, Alpha Phi Omega Biapulangi Chapter. Abigail Buera, President of Buklod Biupulangi. Fiona Elisha Toscano, President of National Service Reserve Corps. John Marl P. Mayor, President of National Service Training Program. Jeric B. Biosca, President of English Class Organization. Levi Kaaya III, Editor-in-Chief of The Indictors. Christian Reondanga, Representative of College Student Council. Mark Joseph Ranyada, Representative of College Student Council. John Paul E. Imperio, Representative of College Student Council. Jason Martilian, Representative of Biupulangi CSC. Farida de Lima, Representative of CSC. Christian Jake Solano, Representative of CSC. Ronnie Bambe, Representative of College Student Council. Charlene Jane Alcantara, Representative of College Student Council. Shamanta Joy Alcantara, Representative of College Student Council.
Evil Blaze Bueno, Business Manager, College Student Council. Jerlene Sarturio, Public Information Officer, College Student Council. Nico B. Sayat, Auditor, College Student Council. John Mark Isaguirre, Treasurer, College Student Council. Joyce M. Arevalo, Secretary, College Student Council. Princess Angel Canyutan, Vice President, College Student Council. And Mr. John Ray E. Salam, President from the College Student Council.
Thank you so much, our administrators, and congratulations to our young leaders. We now proceed to the awarding of certificates for the Dean Citation Award for Service, a recognition bestowed upon students who have shown unwavering commitment to volunteerism and active participation to our CBOs and wider community. To assist us in presenting these awards, may I invite on stage our guidance counselor, Professor Rodelisa Capate, to join Dr. Katangi and Dr. Relisho in awarding our dedicated students. Once again, may I request our guidance counselor, Professor Capata, together with Dr. Maria Charmy Arispe, our IMO coordinator, together with Engineer Ronnie Magasinag, our laboratory coordinator. Our Dean Citation for Service, Lee Regil Y. Estocado, President of Association of Computer Science Students. Jose Elijah H. Cabarla, First Year Representative, Association of Computer Science Students. Nathaniel O. Samson, Business Manager of Association of Computer Science Students. Zan Alain Rafael A. Suruiz, External Vice President of Community Health Action Volunteers. Andrea C. Sabater, Level 4 Representative, Community Health Action Volunteers. Rain Sommer and Roque, Internal Vice President of Community Health Action Volunteers. Janica C. Sabido, Secretary of Electronics Technology Students Organization. Ronnie O. Bombe, Escort of the Electronics Technology Students Organization. Nicole Angela L. Largosa, Secretary General of Association of Young Mentors. Mark Lester B. Bragais, Internal Vice President of Association of Young Mentors. Princess Kiana F. Adan, Auditor of the Association of Young Mentors. Carl Allen P. Doroliat, Secretary General of Institute of Computer Engineers of the Philippines Student Edition, Bicol University. Karen Ernesto, Assistant Secretary General of Institute of Computer Engineers of the Philippines Student Edition, Bicol University. JC Angel Lorica, Business Manager of Institute of Computer Engineers of the Philippines Student Edition, Bicol University. Maria Alexa N. Garcia, Internal Vice President of Young Entrepreneur Society, Organization of Innovative Entrepreneurs. Jessa May T. Volante, External Vice President of Young Entrepreneur Society, Organization of Innovative Entrepreneurs. Renz P. Pangramuyan, Business Manager, Young Entrepreneur Society, Organization of Innovative Entrepreneurs. Yadiza May Barinya, Assistant Treasurer, Uplift Nursing Students Guild. Michael Ralph and Castillo, Public Information Officers to the Uplift Nursing Students Guild. Paula Andrea M. Muico, Business Manager of Uplift Nursing Students Guild. Jude Felix C. Bian, External Vice President of Philippine Nursing Students Association. Denise Elaine Faye M. Bermido, Primary Secretary, Philippine Nursing Students Association. Monabel S. Lastrella, Primary Treasurer of Philippine Nursing Students Association. Maria Hana Siralao and Padra, Primary Treasurer, Red Cross Youth Council. Maria Monse B. Valenciano, Primary Secretary of Red Cross Youth Council. Ken S. Negrite, Public Information Officer of Red Cross Youth Council. Roman De Jesus, External Vice President of Sports Club Organization. John Ray B. Villanueva, Auditor of Sports Club Organization. Maricielo B. Balbuena, Representative of Sports Club Organization. John Bernard D. Riofrio, Vice President of Moth Picker Society. Erich B. Nual, Assistant Secretary of Moth Picker Society. James Ian R. Hernale, Assistant Treasurer of Moth Picker Society. Maricris B. Cos, BUPC Chapter Secretary, Philippine Association of Food Technologists. Bea Nenita P. Velasquez, External Vice President of Philippine Association of Food Technologists, BUPC Chapter. Rosalyn G. Villar, Treasurer of Philippine Association of Food Technologists, BUPC Chapter. Angelo Mark A. Litan, Auditor, Spectra. Reina Maria Espial, Treasurer, Spectra. Dwayne Ernesti Domdom, Public Information Officer of Spectra. Joshua M. Sangreo, Prime Chancellor, Alpha Phi Omega, BU Pulangi Chapter. Farida Dalima, VC for Leadership and Membership, Buklod, BU Pulangi. Kellen T. Nepomuceno, Auditor, Buklod, BU Pulangi. Giselle Martilion, Treasurer, Buklod, BU Pulangi. Mary Joy A. Calpe, Treasurer, National Service, Reserve Corps. Princess Angel Canyutal, External Vice President, National Service Reserve Corps. Maria Alexa Garcia, Cabinet Minister on Industry and Entrepreneurship, National Service Reserve Corps. Samantha Luis V. Sola, Secretary General of National Service Training Program. Pearl Ann R. Odo, CSD Representative, National Service Training Program. JRM Serrano, Technology Department Representative, National Service Training Program. Thank you so much to our administrators, and congratulations to our service awardees. We now proceed to the awarding of certificates of recognition to our students who have brought pride and honor to the college through their outstanding achievements in national and regional competitions. Once again, we now proceed to the awarding of certificates and medals to our regional and national winners. To assist, may I invite on stage Engineer Edsel Samaniago, together our PPO coordinator, together with Professor John Thomas P. Satimbre. To join Engineer Edsel Samaniago, may I also invite on stage Professor Edward Pascuala to award the medals and certificates for our regional and national winners. For regional level, and may I also invite Professor Sanjay Gandia to please be here on stage to award our regional and national winners. For regional level, Justine Jane D. Bongabal, Jessica H. Juan, and May Olia Masares. Bronze in cheer dance, Nursing Students Regional Congress Cheer Dance Competition. Cicely Rose Di Rional, bronze in Call of Duty in Nursing Students Regional Congress Call of Duty Tournament. Cyril Dane Marie S. Balde and Shania Fame A. Rempilio, bronze in Volleyball Women's category, Nursing Students Regional Congress, Volleyball Women category. Jopat M. Peña, first runner-up for Male and Mr. Photogenic in Nursing Students Regional Congress Search for Ambassador and Ambassadress of Goodwill. Venice Elaine Faye M. Bermido, Miss Ambassadress of Goodwill Bicol 2025 and Miss ADMG Bicol 2025. Nursing Students Regional Congress Search for Ambassador and Ambassadress of Goodwill. Ariza Kate C. Magistrado, Alexis John Z. Ray, and Joanna Joy A. Ray. Second place winner, Bicol Pulse 2024 Health Research Contest. Jeka Mendeleev M. Kisan, bronze in extemporaneous speech, Nursing Students Regional Congress 2025. Lawrence Matthew P. Reblora, Haji M. Napay, and Mark Joseph Bulan. Second runner-up, PICT 3rd Annual Regional Hack for Golf captured the flag competition. Faith Lawrence T. Escano, second runner-up, PICT 3rd Annual Regional Hack for Golf captured the flag competition. Jerome V. Nemo, James Anthony D. Perdigon, Jeff Lawrence B. Nuda Haji M. Napay, John Timothy H. Natividad, and Mark Joseph P. Bulan, champion of Interscholastic Quiz Show. And Roboton first runner-up, Levi Kaaya the third, and JC Angel Lorica. First runner-up, badminton, JC Angel Lorica, and Jacob Francisco. Gold medalist in solo baston, non-traditional anyo, gold medalist in bean weight category, Regional State Colleges and Universities Athletic Association of 2025. Mika Joy Melarpis, third runner-up in the Mr. and Miss RTSPC competition, 22nd Regional Tertiary Schools Press Conference. Maria Andrea Henyo, first place, Sports Writing Filipino, fourth place, News Writing in English. Ella Portozuela, ninth place in Poetry Writing Filipino. Jasmine Alexa Torrente, ninth place in Column Writing English. Katrina Lobete, second place, Comic Strip Drawing Filipino. Maria Antoinette Riario, 10th place in Literary Graphics Illustration in English. 22nd Regional Tertiary Schools Press Conference. Monica Justine Banawa, first place, Cap Reading and Headline Writing English. Sixth place in Editorial Cartoonist in the 2025. Thank you so much, and congratulations to all of our regional and national winners. Now, as we draw this meaningful celebration to a close, let us take a moment to reflect on the achievements we have witnessed today, a testament to the excellence and spirit that define our college journey. To formally conclude this program, may we now call on our Associate Dean to deliver the closing remarks. Let us give a warm round of applause to Dr. Floridel S. Relucio.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much at hindi pa nagsiuwian. Marami pa ang tao. Anyway, what an inspiring celebration we've had today. We've seen hard work rewarded, dreams recognized, and the spirit of Bicol University Pulangi shine through every moment. To our honorees, your journey doesn't end with this recognition. This is only the beginning of even greater things ahead. On behalf of the college, I would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to the College Student Council and ever-dedicated organizers headed by Engineer Ben Saminiano for putting together a meaningful and memorable event. Your leadership truly lit up today's celebration. To all our guests, especially our resource speaker, my former student, Mr. Ryan Torralde, faculty, parents, and fellow students, thank you for being part of this special day. Your presence made this occasion even more meaningful. And to everyone here, may you leave this hall with a heart full of pride and a mind ready to take on the next challenge. So congratulations once again, and mabuhay tayong lahat.
Thank you so much, Dr. Lucia, for that heartfelt closing remarks. May I request everyone to please rise for the singing of Bicol University hymn, to be followed by the exit of colors.
This is the school we wish to sing, of a school to honor and revere, a temple built by man of firmness, a mold for you to walk with pride, for He will always be united, although we tread on distant lands. We all shall cherish what you've taught us, that you wholeheartedly gave forth. Big University, burning torch of wisdom, fount of courage, hope, and love, seed of truth and light. Big University, burning torch of wisdom, fount of courage, hope, and love, seed of truth and light.
Before we proceed to our exit of colors, let us first have our photo opportunity together with our BU Polangi faculty members and our guest speaker. Thank you so much. May I request everyone to please settle down for our exit of colors. Once again, please rise for the exit of colors. You may now be seated. Indeed, today has been a celebration of excellence, service, leadership, and unwavering spirit of Bicol University Pulangi. To all of our awardees, congratulations. Your achievements are not only a reflection of your hard work, but also a source of inspiration. And may success continue to follow you in all your future endeavors. This has been Joyce Arevalo, your Lady of Ceremony. Good afternoon and congratulations mga scholar ng bayan. Ladies and gentlemen, the recessional.